안녕하세요, hey guys, it's Just David here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to react to CLC's Helicopter. Usually their songs go hard, so I'm expecting something like that again. Let's go on into the reaction. Oh, helicopter sound already. We won't be lonely at the top. Okay, CLC climbing up to the top, yes. Wings. Oh, sounds like a movie trailer. Ooh! Oh my god, the beat is already hard. I go up helicopter. Make hella noise. Never give up. Like a pilot. Hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. The instrumentals drop hard on you. I'm in the zone. Hey, hey. Whoa! Okay. That's Singyeon, right? That choreo was dope. I like this part too, like the melody and all. Feelings are good, yeah. There we go. Oh, okay. Oh. Let's go, Sword. Danger. Rise up. Rebel leader. Out of control. This song is out of control. Oh, I really love the instrumentals of this song. Hey. Spit fire. Yes. Oh, that background is so pretty. We will rock you. I really like this build-up part. You know, gradually going up to the top. Dazzling. Woo! Woo! Who's? Hey! I thought I heard some high notes in the background. Here we go now. Okay, slowly proceeding to the finale. Oh, there's only one direction where we go. Up. Yes, Sword! Get them! Yes! Get them body rolls, yes! Whoa! I'm a pilot. Helicopter sounds. The journey never ends. Clean ending. Yes. Exactly, that's what I wanted. Okay, CLC went hard on us again. Helicopter. I love the message of the song. So straightforward, you know. They're going up no matter what, you know. Through all that turbulence, the rainstorms, then the wind. You know, there might be a lot of obstacles, but that's how life is. You got to head for the top. You got to go forward. and be that pilot. Pilots are so cool, by the way. And it's all about confidence, you know, like confidence overload. Watching this music video just motivates you, just boosts your ego, and you know, you can do it. You can go up to the top. I love how they started with like the rhyme, kind of a rhyme, like helicopter, hella noise. Especially I loved Sungyeon's part when she did like whew, that dance move. I feel like her part, the melody and all, and the build up, I really like that part. The climax and the drop was good as well. I think the instrumentals were really unique in this song. It just tickles you and also pounds on you. And the Queen, We Will Rock You, clapping and beat, it also amplifies the ferocious warrior spirit inside you. Amazing comeback, well done. We need more girl groups like this, and can't wait to see their performances. So yeah, that was my reaction. If you like my reaction, please put a thumbs up, and don't forget to put down some comments on what you thought about my reaction and the music video. And before you go, please consider supporting me at patreon.com/justdavid so that I can keep on doing reactions, and please request reactions as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.